which is the second part of research proposals, where we raised certain questions that we would like to go on with them for this class. The other question that we asked last time was how to develop the research proposal. We'd like to answer this now. You can do too many things to develop a research proposal, i.e. to write about a research proposal, to end up with a research project. Number one, by choosing an appropriate research topic. Not any topic can be researched. Be very much clever, smart, and realistic with regard to time, what you can do, what you can't do, how you to finish this. This is something too broad, too general. This is something very specific. Choose an appropriate research topic. Narrow down the topic and focus on one single point, very specific point in your research topic. Determine the objectives of your research, what you want to do. And try to, at the very beginning, formulate certain questions. For example, I would like to do the following, 1, 2, 3. What are the results that might come out with, etc. Outline the main literature that you want to include in your research, the most relevant studies to your research, and choose the methodology that you want to have. Different ways of investigating and collecting data. The best way for the best methodology that suits your research, whether data collection, reading in certain books, field work, interviewing people, etc. And propose an approach to data analysis, how to analyze the data that you have, statistics sometimes, or just subjective, that based on your on how much you know about the community, if you want to investigate something related to the community or the topic. And think of a timeline. I want to finish, for example, the first section within 2 days, the second section within 3 days. Think of a timeline for how to finish your project so that at the end you can submit your work on time. And think of the resources that you need for your project. Sometimes you might need to buy certain things, to bring certain things from outside the kingdom. Be very much realistic at this point. And then have the list of references that you want to include in your research based on using them in your text. The format that you would like to have in the research topic, research proposal, is the following. The title, and we'll talk about the title later on, but this is the general format. The title, page number 1. Page number 2, table of contents, where you have all the sections that you have in your research included in the table of contents with the page numbers. The abstract, introduction, literature review, significance of your research, research questions, research methodology, ethical considerations if there is something like this, limitations of the study, the expected results, and the references. These are the sections that you would like to see in your research proposal. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.